Hello everyone, myself Dani Ganesh, lecturer in Moya Education Society's Moya Roy Institute of Pharmacy, Sone. In this lecture, we discuss about the drug acting on cardiovascular system, in that anti-arrhythmic agent. Learning outcome of lecture. After the completion of this lecture, learner will able to understand introduction of cardiac arrhythmias, definition, classification of anti-arrhythmic agent, drug profile of anti-arrhythmic agent. Content of lecture: Introduction of cardiac arrhythmias, definition, classification of anti-arrhythmic agent, drug profile of anti-arrhythmic agent. Introduction of cardiac arrhythmia. Introduction of cardiac arrhythmia. Cardiac arrhythmia or heart arrhythmia is a group of conditions in which the heartbeat is irregular, too fast or too slow. The heart rate that is a fast above 100 beat per minute in adult is called as a tachycardia, and the heart rate that is slow below 60 beat per minute is called as a bradycardia. There are four main group of arrhythmias. First one is extra beats. Next group is supraventricular tachycardias. Next group is ventricular arrhythmias. And last one is bradyarrhythmias. So symptom of cardiac arrhythmias. In the symptom include palpitation or feeling a pause between heartbeats. In more serious cases, there are maybe lightheadedness, passing out, shortness of the breath or chest pain. While most types of arrhythmia are not serious, some predispose a person to complications such as a stroke or heart failure. Definition of anti-arrhythmic agent. So this is an agent which used to treatment of cardiac arrhythmias disorder. That agent is called as a anti-arrhythmic agent. Example: quinidine, procainamide. Classification of anti-arrhythmic agent. In this first one is a membrane stabilizing agent. It also called as a sodium channel blocker. Example: quinidine, procainamide, diisopramide, phenytoin, lignocaine hydrochloride. Next class is beta hydrogenic blocker. Example: propranolol, practinolol. Next class is drug that prolong the duration of cardiac action potential. Example: beryllium, amiodarone. Next class is calcium channel blockers. Example: verapamil, nifedipine. Then we discuss the drug profile of some important anti-arrhythmic agent, in which first one is a quinidine. The structure of quinidine, IUPAC name, in the bracket S, in the next bracket 6-methoxyquinoline 4-vial bracket complete, in the bracket in the sub bracket 1S, 2R, 4S, 5R bracket complete, 5-vinyl quinolidine 2-vial bracket complete, methanol. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a white crystalline powder. Taste and odor: it is a bitter in taste and odorless compound. Solubility: it is sparingly soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Storage and stability condition: it is affected by light, hence it should be stored in airtight light resistant container. Uses: it is used in treatment of cardiac arrhythmias. It is used in treatment of ventricular tachycardia. It is used in treatment of extrasystolic arterial tachycardia. It is used in treatment of thyrotoxicosis. It is used in treatment of short QT syndrome. Official preparation: quinidine tablet. Brand name: Neodexta. Next anti-arrhythmic agent is procainamide. The structure of procainamide, IUPAC name 4-amino N in the bracket 2-diethyl amino ethyl bracket complete, benzamide. Physical properties: surface nature and color. It is a hygroscopic white or yellowish white crystalline powder. Taste and odor. It is a bitter in taste and odorless compound. Solubility. It is a very soluble in water and soluble in alcohol. Stability and storage condition. It is affected by air and light, hence it should be stored in airtight, light resistant container. Uses. It is used in treatment of cardiac arrhythmia. It is used in treatment of ventricular tachycardia. It is used in treatment of extrasystolic arterial tachycardia. It is used in treatment of ventricular atopy. It is used to maintain sinus rhythm. Official preparation: procainamide tablet, procainamide injection, brand name Procainabed, Procaine SR. So in this lecture we discuss about the introduction of arrhythmias, definition, classification of antiarrhythmic agent and drug profile of some antiarrhythmic agent. Thank you.